Okay, what's up, guys? It's Ron from the Handy, the Tradesman Service and Solutions. We back here at another job. It's Thursday, so you know where I'm at. I'm at my auntie's house. We'll say auntie's house. Play auntie, work auntie. She books me every Thursday to do like handyman work around the house. So do something real easy. So I took out those two sliding shower doors off of the bathroom right here, and she wants to put this rod up. I'm gonna put it up there, and then I'm painting the trim around the door, and then I'm gonna just do all the rest of the trims around the doors because it's real easy. So I did this one already, did that one, did the outside. I'm gonna do those right there, and I gotta touch up this right here. I'm gonna put the caulking and the cracks right here and cover up the staple holes or the nail holes, and then I'm gonna paint this. So one thing about what you gotta be careful for is that clients will all of a sudden remember, and it happens all the time, it's unavoidable, I do it sometimes too, is that they'll actually do a set of things, right? And you give them a price for those set of things. But then all of a sudden they remember, oh, I need this done too. But they expect it to be in that price. So you have to tell them like, okay, I want you to understand that you're asking me to do something extra than what you said before. So I have to charge you extra. Sometimes they understand, sometimes they don't. And oh, it's just this. Like, no, you think it's just this. You think it's something simple, but it's time consuming. A lot of people don't understand that. They think it looks easy doesn't mean it's necessarily easy. And it might be easy, but it's time consuming. Like she just asked me to, oh yeah, can you change the caulking on that, recaulk it? I said okay. And I told her, yeah, it'll be this much more. She's like, why? You just have to put over. I was like, no, that caulk is old, it's black. I'm not gonna put new caulking over it. So I gotta take it off and apply a new one. She's like, oh, you have to take it off? I was like, yeah, I wouldn't do that to you. So she's like, oh, I didn't know that. I was like, yep. So you understand why it's this much now? She's like, yeah. I was like, cool. And of course, she tried to add on other stuff. I just told her like, yeah, okay, we could add on more if I don't have to be anywhere, or it doesn't go over the time that I said I was gonna be out of here. So you gotta understand that and make sure it's clear. Alright, so we got the towel bar on, and I filled those holes in with caulking so no water can get into there, and re-caulk the bathtub. Last thing I have to do is I'm gonna put caulking and fill in the nail holes and then the creases or the cracks right here, the spaces, the gaps, whatever they call them. And then fill these gaps in right here. so we're done with that job. I forgot to take pictures of the final results, but yeah, easy job. She asked me to do more, so I did more and got some more money. Like I said, when they ask for extra, you know, you charge them extra. People, they do it all the time. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I was like, okay, and before you even do the work, you might want to say like, hey, be like, hey, let's handle the first payment first. Or if you don't want to do it, just say, hey, yeah, I don't have the time. Let's just do this. I can do it next time I come, and do that way. You know, because with me, you know, I schedule multiple jobs a day. I try to only schedule like 2 jobs a day now. So, and depending on what it is, I schedule accordingly. I say, okay, this person wants to do this. It's probably going to take 3 hours. So I'll arrive at this person at between these times, add 3 hours on that, and then I'll add the next person will come an hour later, and I'll do in between those times. So, you know, it'll take you a while to get used to what you want. Oh, look, she gave me a $2 bill. These are worth money now. Well, I think it depends on like the serial number on this, but I keep my $2 bills. But yeah, you just gotta, you know, find what schedule works best for you. But on to the next job. I'm finishing these dressers or dresser drawers that I have to assemble. And that should be a nice paying job. Maybe like close to 300 maybe, because these dressers, some of these dressers are big and they take a long time. So yeah, and then I have another job to do where I'm going to fix this solenoid on this sprinkler controller, and then I'll be done for the day. Off to the next job. So I brought one drawer up already. Whew, I'm out of breath. Stairs. There's the other drawers or dresser. I brought one dresser up, and here's the rest of the drawers. Gotta take that up now with the 6 drawers. Fun times. Okay. Couldn't get footage of, you know, the finished product because, you know, they were home, and I didn't want to like invade their privacy. But I'm driving to the I guess this is a recycling place, because I don't know if you can see, but all the boxes back there, they're like, oh yeah, can you please take the boxes? We don't want to deal with all that. I guess there's something happened where the neighbor called the cops on them because they were trying to dump all this in their garbage bins. And I guess they don't know. There's a thing where styrofoam, I think styrofoam is supposed to be in the garbage, not the recycling, something like that. But yeah, so I said, yeah, no problem. You know, this family is so good to me. They've helped me out. They're one of my first clients I had once I started my business, and we've always had good times. They always treat me well. They always give me food. Always ask about my kids. Always ask how I'm doing. They're a very loving family, and so I was like, yeah. But they're trying to get me to do this other thing, go into the attic and replace the furnace filter. I was like, yeah, I don't have time for that, because I have to search for I just don't have time for that. And you guys have let me know that before I came here. And I have another job after this, so I told them, you know, what I can do is go to the recycling place and do this for you. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that'll be it for them for today until they book me again for something else. But it's good to have repeated clients, build a rapport. Building a rapport with a client goes a long way. So yeah. All right, so I'm a little irritated because I was finishing up, getting ready to go, cleaning up my mess from the packaging. So, you know, in the dresser, in the packaging, there's styrofoam, most styrofoam and cardboard, right? So they do this all the time, and so I tell them all the time, like, look, you guys can't keep asking. What they tend to do is always ask me stuff last minute. It's like I said, almost everybody does it. So I'm about to leave, then a husband comes to me. He's like, oh yeah, can you help me get rid of all this styrofoam and cardboard? There's a drop-off place right here. I was like, sure. I was like, it's a drop off. You can drop it off, right? He's like, yeah. I was like, how much it costs? He's like, oh, it's free. I'm like, I don't know about that. So I was like, I'll follow you. You show me where it's at. He's like, okay. So we go there, and sure enough, I knew it was too good to be true. It says cardboard only, no styrofoam. So I show him, I'm like, look, man, it's only cardboard. He's like, no, you can just dump it. I'm like, dude, look, entrance said it. It says it on every big bin that it's styrofoam, no styrofoam, no garbage, cardboard only, and then you have to flatten the cardboard. And he tries to argue with me. I'm like, no, dude, then I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'll drop this off right here, and then you can put it up. But he's like an older man, and the reason why he wanted me to do it because last time he did it, it took him a while. Then he had to go to the hospital because his blood pressure was up. But I'm like, he's like, okay, well, can you just dump the cardboard and take the styrofoam back to my place? I'm like, you guys are killing me, dude. So next time, and this is another repeated client. Like, they booked me like every other week. So next time I'm gonna charge them like an extra $50 for the inconvenience that they put me through. So, but you know, they fed me, they gave me drinks and everything. I love them. But I just hate when stuff like this happens. I'm on a schedule. So yeah, so right now I went to a client's house to check out this irrigation system. There's a solenoid leaking on his controller station, irrigation station. Simple fix. And I should have told him, like, you know, it's pretty easy, but I guess he doesn't know where to start at. He doesn't know like that thing twists off. But I'm about to show him so he knows himself. This is one of the guys I actually messed up on a job. I was removing a sink and I actually cracked the tile. And I was able to, like, you know, kind of repair the tile by like some putty and tile repair, but it doesn't look that great. And it wasn't that bad either. And he was actually understanding. He actually worked with me and he wants to continue to work with me. So I'm about to show him how to do it. And his house wasn't too far from another job, so I'm only gonna charge him like $50 plus the part. Oh, this is an order pickup. I can't park right there. So I'm at Ace Harbor right now, getting a piece for him. All right, this is what we need. Hunter solenoid. Oh, door's locked. All right, so it looks like the problem we have here is that we have a bad like station right here. So I changed the solenoid because it was leaking from here, but now when I turn the water back on, this runs automatically. This is the only one that's running, and the controller has it to off. None of these are running except this one, and it's water constantly leaking. And then I did swap this top with this top, and it's still running like that. So I think and then there's a leak right here. So I think this whole thing's just bad. So I'm asking if he wants me to replace the whole thing. All right, we're done for today. I told him I'll come back another day because the sun's about to go down. And I don't want to overexert myself, but it should be an easy fix. Just got cut off the old station, put the new station on, and that'll be it. Now return the old piece back to Ace Hardware. So I'll come back another day, but I think we made good money today. We made $350 from the last job. And the first job I went to, I made $120. So that's $470 for today. Not bad. I wish I would have finished this job. I would have broke 500. I try to make at least 500 a day. But yeah, that's it. That's the day in the life of a handyman. Thank you guys for watching, tuning in all the time, give me feedback. If you see I do something wrong, please tell me. Like, I don't take it. I'm not defensive. I'm not argumentative. You know, I know previously in my old videos, like when I first started my channel, I did a lot of stuff wrong, especially with electrical. It seems like that's why I did a lot wrong. Where it was code violations or just something dangerous. Let me know, you know. With electrical, somebody else was telling me how to do it. So, and I trusted that they were telling me to do it the correct way, but couldn't find out it wasn't doing the correct way. It was like the handyman way. So I'm trying to break that stigmatism of handyman, you know. I want to do it correctly and safely and by code and all that. But you guys have any comments or feedback? Leave it in the comment section. You guys enjoying my content so far? Be sure to subscribe, and I'll have more content coming soon.